Alright, so in the last hair video, Carisha did my hair. So in this video, I'm gonna do her hair. We're gonna do braids, cornrows, and we're gonna do about 4 braids. And the look that we're going for is this look right here. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so now we're gonna little prepping part. We're gonna part the hair and then what the hairstylists call it when you extend the hair out like this.
Combing it out?
Yeah, I guess just combing it out, getting the full length of it. So parting, I think parting, especially when it comes to braids, I think it's like setting in guidelines when you as a barber. Like if your parts ain't clean, your cut ain't gonna come out clean, or your hairstyle in this case. So. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. Not really. Alright, so now that I done did that, I'm gonna try to get this part as clean as I can, and then we're gonna start the process. Alright, alright. You guys need to know how to braid before you even know how to cornrow. I done watched a few tutorials myself. And so you're gonna get you a little section. Start the braid off. I don't know if that's too much. Them OGs, them OGs, they can just start without parting, can't they? But yeah, I'm a young OG. So you can get your 3 strands, 1, 2, and 3. Take them. You need good hand placement and rhythm. Once you get your good hand placement and rhythm, it's like easy. So start that. Start my braid. Then once I start it, I'm gonna start picking up here. Oh shit. You only pick up here from the side. I got the single on it. I'm tweaking. Right. Oh shit. I done slipped up. I think I had to rearrange some stuff, make some storage on my phone, cause we ain't end up recording, but boom. We just gonna start this thing. Yes,